How to change content language in the Reddit app. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to change the language of the contents or the post, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change the language of the content, tap onto your profile icon at the top. Just right here, select it. Then here you can find settings at the bottom. Tap on it. Then here you can find content language. Just right here. Now select it. Now to change language, you need to add language. Tap onto it just like this. Now simply find the language and simply tap on it and tap on to add one. You can add the languages as much as you need or want. And now you can see the language of the content has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change content language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.